jet ski, there's like a sign above it.
That's not a flounder. Hey, good morning, y'all. Okay, so we're down here doing a little PrawnstarZ challenge. What color am I throwing? Do you remember?
I think it's just natural.
It's like a more natural color with a purple tail. And then Ezra's throwing beer run. So we're gonna get out here and we're gonna do a little challenge and see who can catch the most fish using the same lure but in a different color. And technique, obviously.
Right.
It'd be technique too. So we'll see. We're gonna get out here. Hopefully catch something big. Hopefully catch a couple big things.
Hopefully some big flounder.
Yeah, we'll probably catch flounder. Red drum, hopefully. Catch some red drum. Maybe I keep a red drum. But we're gonna get after it and see if we can catch something. All right, y'all. So put some Procure on there. That's definitely getting eaten. All right. Let's roll. Where you wanna go? You go here first. You hooked up? Oh, it's a flatfish. That's not bad at all. You want boga? That's not bad at all.
He's not gut hooked.
All right. That's a good fish right there.
It's not a bad one.
Yeah.
First one of the year.
All right, you're winning the competition. See ya, flatfish. He's gonna hunker down right there. No, he's going all the way back.
Like sliding down the
yeah.
ledge.
Yeah, he's going all the way back out there. All right, good job, dude. All right, you're winning the competition.
Win the competition.
Beer run.
Beer run.
Beer run's winning so far.
I know.
It's that lighter color, I think.
Yeah, in this darker water.
Yeah.
Hey man,
I think mine just kind of matches in.
Just give up now.
Mine just kind of matches with it. No, I'll keep on it.
I've had production here.
Yeah, I'll keep on it. All right, y'all. So I have something on my leg. I want to show you guys. Ezra noticed it. I didn't even know it was there. I'm standing in one spot, casting and fishing, and he noticed this. Yeah, so I have a shrimp on my leg. I just saw a dolphin out there. Right there it is. That's a big one. Yeah. Yeah, that's a big dolphin. Alright, y'all, Ezra just found this fish. Alright, y'all, so without cheating, do you know what that fish is? I can Google it, but actually, you know what? Go ahead and guess what it is, and then I'll throw the name up here just in a second. What is that? Does it look like a bug? sea robins.
Really?
Yeah, there's a sea robin. There's a little sea robin this big.
So what's this?
It's a sea robin, I think.
Is it? Should I kick it?
I'm pretty sure it's a sea robin.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a sea robin. See?
Huh.
How cool is that?
That could have been biting our oars.
Alright, so I'm looking for sea robins. I haven't found any yet, but I just found a crab. So check this out. Yeah, it's a flounder. No. I think it's decent. Yeah, that counts.
Yeah.
Alright, I just caught one. He didn't say anything, so I didn't know. Here, you got that? You got that beast? Hey, it still counts, so you're 1 up now. Nice. She went right in front of you.
Yeah.
That's sick. I just got hit. Alright guys, there's Ezra's 3rd one. You see that?
No, I saw it. You were hooked up in the line.
I think I was at fault for that one. Alright y'all, so I got some more Procure on there. Hopefully that'll help me, because I am currently, what'd you say?
4-1.
It's 4-1, so I need to catch 3 fish just to catch up. That's not to win, that's just to tie.
We haven't pulled a single one on that.
Thank you.
We haven't pulled a single one off this block.
Mm-hmm.
Like jet ski, there's like a sign going on.
That's not a flounder. Oh, it is. Yeah, it's a good one. Okay, let me see your rod. Cool. That's a little better. Probably the last fish of the day. Okay. All right, y'all. That's a good flounder right there.
Good flounder. Back.
All right, here goes. Jeez. They're so violent. All right, y'all. So he won.
I won. Well,
4-2.
4-2.
4-2. I caught a good one though. That's a good flounder. But yeah, 4-2. He won. I think it was the color, honestly.
Beer on.
Yeah. I think that later it is a really good looking color.
Yours looks good too.
It does, but this water is darker, so I think, well, I mean, you know, he was the better angler today, so he won. So 4-2.
4-2.
Good challenge.
Yep.
Good competition. But we will catch y'all next time.
Take care.
Take care.